So Afeefa, which car you want to choose? We have blue one, green one, red, oh, orange, or purple. Which one you want to choose?
Orange.
The orange one. Okay, let's use the orange one. Okay, so the rules, if you can read it yourself, we move 2 boxes. If teacher help, we move 1 boxes, okay? Okay, for the first sentence, can you read this for me?
This is Fred and that is friend.
Okay, good job. This is Fred and that is friend. Okay, good job. So we move 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, so the next word, can you read this for me?
Fred and friend are twins.
Okay, good job. Fred and Fred are twins. Okay, we move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, so next, can you read this for me?
There are twins.
There are twins. Okay, excellent. We move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, so next, can you read this for me?
Ruth the dog is with them.
Okay, good job. Rose, the dog, is with them. Okay, good job. We move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, you almost got at the finish line. Okay. Okay, for the last word, can you read this for me?
Fred has a stick.
Okay, good job. Fred has a stick. Okay, we move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, you got the finish line. Okay, good job.